Hi, I'm Paul Lackey, sound design supervisor for the Overwatch team, and we are in Peru recording sounds to accurately portray the Quechuan culture in our upcoming map based on Peru, which features the origin story for Ilari. And it was super important that we do it in an authentic way and represent the Quechuan culture appropriately because, all of the architecture and a lot of the visual design comes from their heritage and their culture. So we wanted to be sure that we captured from the region and the authentic voices and the language, which is so unique to the Quechuan people and their culture. So we are here exploring various different villages within the Cusco region of Peru, which is very heavily Quechuan populated. And we're learning about altitude.
Oh man, I think I'm getting sick.
No.
Hey, I'm Felipe Pereira. I'm a senior sound designer on Overwatch and also the sound designer for Ilari. And it is my privilege to be here in Peru to record location sounds for the new map.
Saksayo mampi pukuy cha imaya mantas kari wakanki no kachus kanki wakan ekipa mana mamayo mana taitayo.
All right, well, this morning we're putting together a more stealthy rig to go and record around town here. The bigger rigs that we use are super high quality, but they also draw a lot of attention to us. So this is a way we can kind of meander through the crowds and not have as much focus on us. So we're going to put this tiny little rig in my stylish fanny pack. And the tricky part though is where to hide the microphones. Tiny mics, and they're actually quite tiny except for these little wind jammers. Drop the wires down my back. So yeah, rockin'. Who's going to notice anything is amiss, right? This is pretty stealthy. So I'm going to dress it up a bit. This hat kind of helps with concealing them. Then for my Peruvian camouflage, I just blend right in, right? Who will know?
This is tough with all the broadcast music.
Besides recording markets and people and nature, we had the privilege of recording a line of Quechuan leaders walking their way to a church for a mass that they do on Sundays.
We were just going to go get coffee, and then we heard your music and thought, oh, we got to go capture.
ever play with the sound off, I will come find you. And I know that I have the endurance to walk to you wherever you are. You cannot stop me.